Natural Rejuvenation MedSpa. Total Skin Repair. High-intensity focused ultrasound repairs smooth layer of skin which is responsible for suspension to repair and prevent sagging skin. RF microneedling is used to treat the deeper tissues of the face and neck. It stimulates collagen production, tightens skin, and improves skin texture imperfections. Lays MD resurfacing lasers rebuild glowing healthy skin through gentle and effective non-ablative fractionated treatments. Before and after pictures of our very own clients. Wow!